Good? We are live?
Yes, sir.
People are joining? Not yet.
Not yet, sir.
Looking handsome?
Of course.
Ready? Okay. How many people are there? Okay. Good evening, everyone. Today I am with Melissa. She has come here for full body adjustment. She is suffering from acute upper back and lower back pain since 2 weeks. Her nature of job is desk work. She works 8 hours every day. Uh, I'll bring the patient in few minutes. Please have a patience.
Sit down.
Please come, Melissa. Please come. Sit down.
Hi, Doc.
Hello. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm fine. Okay. Tell me, what's your issue?
Actually, I'm suffering from back pain.
Okay.
Upper and lower back.
Okay.
Yes.
Since how many days?
Almost 2 weeks.
Okay.
Yes.
What's the nature of your work?
Desktop work.
Okay.
Yes.
How many hours do you spend time usually?
Basically 8 hours. I'm sitting for 8 hours. Yeah.
What's the profession?
I'm a management assistant.
Wow.
Yeah.
Where? In Dubai, you're working in Dubai, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Fine. How did you manage your pain since you have pain since 2 weeks?
Actually, I have the ointment, which is
Okay.
for the muscle pain.
Okay.
But actually, it's not giving me like ease of
Okay.
the pain. Yeah.
Okay. Fine. Can you guys hear us? Please write down in the comment box yes. Because sometimes my Bluetooth device is not trustworthy. My voice is trustworthy than my Bluetooth device. I will take Melissa over there. We will start the treatment. Come, Melissa.
Yeah, sure.
Please sit down. Yes, fine. We'll do the assessment first, Melissa.
Sure, Doc.
We'll scan your spine.
Okay.
Can you tie your hair like this, please, if
Okay.
possible? Oh, fine. Good. And can you increase the height, please? That's it. Guys, for location, please follow my videos. Can you remove the earrings, please?
Yeah, sure.
Is possible?
Yes.
Okay. Where do you have the tissue more? This is gold or silver?
No, it's. Don't worry, Doc.
Okay. Is this first time you came for adjustment?
Yes.
Scared?
No,
Nervous?
I'm not.
Okay. Mashallah, you're brave. Okay. Bring the camera. Any discomfort here?
Yeah, a little bit, Doc.
Okay. Turn your head left side. Any discomfort here? No. Here.
No, no.
Turn this. Bring the camera this side, please. So I'm assessing her cervical spine from C1 till C7. Any discomfort here?
No, Doc.
Here?
No.
Okay. The range is good, both the side. Look up. Any discomfort here?
Yeah. On the
Usually, this is very common spot for people who are working on the desk for long hours. This junction is called sitting junction, C71. Any discomfort here, Lisa?
Yes, doc. Yeah, from
This
there.
interscapral region again around T5.
Oh, and there.
This one also, right?
Yeah.
Around the apex of the scapula. You do any
Yeah.
activity, any physical activity?
No, doc.
No?
No.
Mashallah, you're fit,
Thank you. Yeah, from there, doc.
right?
Yes.
I can see here a little bit curvature. His typhus is over there. And what about here?
Yes.
Okay. Tenderness over left PSI as well. Um, Keep your hand behind your head. Yeah. Lift this leg up. So ankle towards you. Bend your head. Any pain here?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Relax. 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 Again. This leg up. Ankle towards you. Bend. Any discomfort? This side.
Yeah.
Okay. Relax. There is slight neurological anomalies around lumbar spine. So I'm going to reset lumbar spine as well.
Usually, I'm getting the pain from here, doc. Yeah,
Okay.
from
This
here.
area.
Yeah.
This area.
Yes.
Can you walk, please? Walk. Take off your stylus and
Okay. I'm joining Miss Universe actually. Okay.
guys, high heel, one of the cause for back pain.
Ah.
Yeah. For stressful women. Come back.
I normally use high heels.
Yeah, don't
Yes.
use high heels. Yeah. Let me check your PSS. Keep your hand behind your head. Yeah. Bend forward. No. Yeah, to bend forward this way. When I ask you.
Okay.
Now.
Okay.
Bend forward. Bend more. Bring the camera here. Slightly right side is higher than left. This right here. Come on. Okay. Face up, lie down.
Have to lie down.
Now, facing up. They can hear us, right? Okay. Now we'll check her limb length. Bring the camera here. Right. Wow, what is this? Look at the thumb. So left is shorter than right. Need to reset her left leg. Can you guys see? You can see?
Yeah,
This is
there's
short.
a difference. Yes.
Difference, yeah. Limb length shortening. Cause. Lie down. Keep head. Lift this leg up. Head down. Any discomfort, any pain here? It's clear, right?
Yeah, clear down.
This one. Any discomfort? The SLR test is negative. Wait. Let me check your weight. This is also fine. SI joint also good. This side is tight, right?
Yes.
Yeah, this is popping up. Please sit down. Come a little back. Can you take off your mic here? Now I'm going to reset her thoracic spine. Face down, please. Yeah, face Face down. On your turn. Yeah. Keep your head here. One little down. Relax. Okay. Bend both the legs. So there is a leg, limb shortening. You can see. See that now. Two. Lift this leg up. Keep your head down. Keep your head down. Just straight in. Any discomfort here?
Yes, doctor.
Okay. This one lifted. This is free. Can you reduce the height, please? Follow my instruction carefully. When I ask you, take a deep breath. That's it. So breathe through your nose and breathe out through your mouth. Okay? Got it?
Yes, got it.
Good. Relax. Can make it little low. That's it. Is this painful here, Melissa?
Yes.
Okay. Take a deep breath. Out. All good?
Yes.
Okay. Look up. Okay, that's it now. This was painful, right? Okay. CT junction. C7T1. Cool. Keep your head here. Take a deep breath. Out. All good?
Yes.
Don't worry, she is nervous. So it's normal phenomenon.
No, I'm not nervous, doc.
She's brave. Did you hear the sound? Melissa?
Yeah.
Okay. Take a deep breath. Out. Okay. That's it. Increase the height. That's it. Okay. Keep it loose. Keep it loose. So I'm giving scapulothoracic mobilization. All fine?
Yes.
Feeling sleepy?
Yeah.
Okay. Please sit down. Can you increase the height, please? More. That's it. Scoot back. Come a little back. Okay, that's it. Okay. Keep your both hands behind your head. Interlock your finger. Okay. Take a deep breath. Out. Good?
Yeah.
All fine? Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Not scared, right?
No. I trust you, Doc.
Yeah. That is the key.
Yes.
When you go to your doctor, trust is the main key, you know. Did you guys hear the sound? Please write down in the comment box. Yes. Please walk. Let's check this area. How it is free or still tight. Come back. Guys, for all, please sit down. You can text us. I will or email me. I will reply all your questions, inshallah. In live session, we can't reply it. Okay? Follow me and follow my videos. There is a number given on address given. Please send me a message on WhatsApp. This is super tight. Relax, keep it loose. Okay. Relax. Okay. We'll reset your neck. Lie down, face up. Can you increase the height, please? Can you type our Good Living mobiles number? You have mobile number? Good Living? What's the type our here? 056 997. This one. Right, send your queries over. We'll reply. Send your queries. That's this number. So I'm gonna reset her cervical spine. All fine?
Yeah.
Relax. Take a deep breath. Out. All good?
Awesome.
It's easy, very easy. Okay? Okay. So I'm going to reset other side. Relax. Take a deep breath. Out. All good?
Yes.
Don't shake your head, okay? It's super loud, right?
Yes.
Okay. Give some stretch to trapezius muscle. Relax, keep it loose, keep it loose. Please sit down. All fine?
Yes.
Feeling dizzy?
No.
Okay. Please walk, walk, walk. Come back. Sit down. Sideline facing mirror. Yeah. Lie down. Go little down. Go little down. Yeah. Yes. Come little this side. Perfect. Good. Nice. Okay. Hold it. Keep your head here. Perfect. Relax. Okay. Take a deep breath. Out. What was that?
I love it, dog.
All good?
Yeah.
Super loud.
Yeah.
Okay. Please sit down. That was super loud. Did you guys hear the crack sound?
I say that for almost 5 years working.
5 years? Wow. Can you walk now? Walk. Come back. Please sit down. Okay. Drink some water. Okay. Drink some water. I'll be back. Okay. Fine. Okay. Now we'll reassess. Any pain here? It's okay, fine. Any pain here?
Yeah.
Okay. And this side is reduced better than before?
Yes, no.
Okay. Nice. And this one?
Mm-hmm.
Better?
Yeah. But
Okay. Okay, please come. Come here, sit down. Sit here. So it's very important. You need to come here after 5 days. Okay,
Okay,
we need to
5 days.
reset 2-3 times.
Mm-hmm.
In one day we can sort it out.
Yeah.
It's 2-3
Okay.
times you have to come.
Mm-hmm.
Then we'll give you program, strengthening program. Once the reset is done,
Mm-hmm.
the spine alignment correction is done, then we need to do strengthening program, your core strengthening. Okay,
doctor.
and you have to reduce your workload.
Yeah.
Every 1 hour, get up and
Mm-hmm.
walk.
And walk.
Okay, thank you.
I don't do that for 8 hours, doc. Maybe I will just stand up to take water.
Yeah.
That's it. Yeah.
No, every 1 hour, take micro break.
Mm-hmm.
Take micro break. It's very important.
Okay, doc.
And next session, I'll teach you some stretching exercises.
Mhm.
Okay, in office you can do those exercises.
Mhm.
It's very simple stretching exercises. Suppose hypothetically, I'll teach you now. This is your chair. Okay,
Yes,
you need
doctor.
to stretch your piriformis muscle, your glutes, bum muscle.
Mhm.
Scoot, come little front. Yeah, that's it. Keep your leg here, 90 degree.
Mhm.
This has to be kept here. Cross it, keep it like this. Okay, keep your feet here. Knee has to be 90, hip has to be 90 degree. Keep your body straight. Grab your ankle and one hand push your knee down and you
Like this?
3 4 and lean forward. Getting a stretch?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, doc.
Okay, hold for 10 to 15 seconds and we can do the other side. Do the other side. Yeah, this has to be 90 degree. Feet has to be neutral. This is very important. Stabilize your ankle and push come back. Getting a stretch? You get stretch this side.
Yes, sir.
Getting? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This you do
Okay.
2 to 3 times. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you very much for
Thank
your
you so
time.
much, Doc. Thank
And
you.
inshallah, I will meet after 5 days.
Yes.
Okay?
See you.
Thank you. Yeah. Okay, guys, if you have any queries, you can send your coins to 056 997 3911. Okay? Thank you.